Hi, I'm Shindo. I'm your instructor for Biopsychosocial Human Services. The material in this course is a synthesis of the biological, psychological, and social milieu and the concepts therein, and how those explain complex human behavior and the social service interventions that we use to work with people who are either on the margins of society or need to reintegrate dependent upon their circumstances. Over the next 10 weeks, we're going to be talking about the brain and the substructures within the brain, the peripheral nervous system, as well as the endocrine system. The pharmacology of drugs and addiction will be addressed at the end to put this whole biopsychosocial piece into a specific context. I understand that learning biopsychosocial language is like learning any foreign language. We're going to talk about the jargon, define what it means, and then put it into context. And that specific context is going to be structure and function. We have a brain, what does it do? Right now, you're using multiple brain systems just watching this video. So we're going to take structure and function and ultimately apply it to human beings in the social environment. We're going to talk about marginalized populations, and we're going to talk about social policies and practices that either enhance or diminish the marginalization of such populations. Overall, this course is going to be fun, it's going to be challenging, but I think you're going to have a good time. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have a lot of passion for this work. My background's in behavioral neuroscience, public health, social work, and I have a PhD in social research and policy. I love pulling all those pieces together, both in the instruction of the material to students, but also in the application for everyday life. When working with persons who are on the margins of society, either in community or, as I do, in departments of corrections, prisons specifically, I pull all of these concepts together to build a holistic view of the individual. So when I see clients or patients on the inside, I'm seeing people who have true physiological, biochemical, emotional, and social issues that are complex in how they intertwine to create that individual's current circumstances. So you see, this material is really applicable to people in the social environment, and I hope you'll find it applicable to you. Oh, hi, you probably thought we were done. Well, I'll bet you saw Sully-Boo, my service dog, running around in the background. He wanted to introduce himself and tell y'all to have a good time in my class.